Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Trello for Agile Development, your full guide for 2025. First off, you'll need to create a new Trello board. This is where you'll manage all your tasks and processes for your Agile project. The reason we do this is to have a central location where everyone on your team can see the project's progress, from the backlog to the testing stage. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step, which is creating lists. In Agile development, the typical lists are backlog, to-do, in progress, review, and done. This helps us because each list represents a stage in your development process, providing a clear visual of your workflow. Next up, we populate the backlog list with cards, each card representing a user story or a task. The key here is to keep your cards simple but descriptive. This helps us maintain clarity and keeps everyone on the same page about what needs to be done. After that, you assign team members to each card and move them across the lists as tasks progress. The beauty of Trello is its drag and drop feature. You simply click and hold a card, then drag it to the list that represents its current stage in your process. The reason we do this is to ensure accountability and to keep track of what's been done and what's next. Now, you might be wondering how to keep track of your sprints. Well, Trello's got you covered. You can use power-ups like Sprint for Trello to set start and end dates for your sprints. This helps us because it ensures we stick to our Agile methodology of iterative development within specific timeframes. Let me explain why this matters. Agile development is all about adaptability and iterative progress. Using Trello for Agile development lets you visualize your workflow, keep everyone accountable, and maintain flexibility to adapt as needed. So there you go. That's how you use Trello for Agile development. Remember, the key is to keep your tasks organized and your workflow transparent. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep on developing.